Hello and welcome back to the channel of Spares and Repairs. I'm Gino, and today we've got a Skoda Roomster, as you can see here. Skoda Roomster 2010 plate with 43,000 miles on the clock, here for an oil change and both suspension arms at the front to be replaced. So let's get cracking. Come on. These are the parts we'll be using today. As you can see here, I'm just going to drain the oil from the sump plug into my drainer here. Now all the oil is in to the drainer. Put a new sump plug there, as you can see, and then torque up to spec. Perfect. Oil filter's been removed off the car, and just a top tip, just make sure on these engines that once you take the filter off, just check to see if any debris or seal's been left behind, because you don't want to put the new oil filter with the old seal from the existing filter, as you can see there. Now putting the new filter on, hand tight. I've already put a film of oil around it, and then screw in. That's it. Now on to replacing the wishbones, and what it is remove the little under tray here, which is like with T25s. Now onto the wishbones now. So we're taking off these 3 16mm nuts. We've cleaned them off and lubricated them. Same with the bolt here that's connected it to the subframe, and then this bolt here, which will be removed as well to take the wishbone out. Once this wishbone's out, then we can replace it with the new one. As you can see on the other side, we've already replaced. The reason why replacing the wishbone is due to the bush coming out of its housing. So we advised on the MOT that it needed to be replaced, and as good practice, we're replacing both wishbones. And just like that, wishbone is on. Come on. And that's it. Car's all finished. Engine bay's cleaned, levels topped up, wheels torqued up to the correct spec. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we move on to the next one. Come on.